Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to sort a list by last name in Google Sheets. Let's say you have first and last names of employees in column A. To extract the last name, enter this formula in the top cell for the column of the last name. Equal sign, right, open round bracket, then select the cell with the corresponding full name, then type comma, plen, open round bracket, then select the cell with the corresponding full name, type close round bracket, minus sign, find, open round bracket, open quote, space, close quote, comma, then select the cell with the corresponding full name, type close round bracket, and another close round bracket. Then press enter. This formula finds the space and returns the text after it, which is your surname. To apply it to the rest of the names, hover your cursor over the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula until your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Then, drag it down until the last name to apply the formula to all the names. To sort, select the whole data range that you want to sort, but make sure to first select the data which you will base your sorting upon. For this example, we will base on the last names, so let us first click and drag along the last name column, then drag towards the employee name column. Then, click Data in the top menu, then hover over Sort Range. We can choose to sort the range by column B by A to Z or by Z to A. Let's click Sort Range by column B, A to Z, and the data will be arranged from A to Z. So, that is how you sort by last name in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.